I don't know what happened here, but my volume is not working like it should. But I'm showing you where I forgot to show you how I cut the landscape cloth out of the beds so that the ground is exposed to the soil and stuff that I put inside these beds. So it doesn't, I don't put uh, soil on top of the landscape cloth. What I do is I put wood chips in the bottom, and then I put a layer of mulch and a layer of soil, then a layer of mulch, then a layer of soil, and I keep alternating it like that. And on the very top, I will buy a big box bag of soil sometimes and put that on the very top. Or I'll just take some soil that I have and mix it with my manure and do it that way. Okay, and here I'm putting in cardboard before I start the mulch. I forgot to tell you that I do that.